The time to stamp your name on the crown jewel of Hiranandani Estate is here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to bring this 5-bedroom duplex penthouse for sale in Hiranandani Estate. आपने मैजेस्टिक लिविंग, पैलेशियल लिविंग ऐसे तमाम टर्म्स बिल्डर्स के ब्रोशर्स में और एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में देखे होंगे, लेकिन few adjectives actually live up to that kind of experience which you can actually enjoy in this property. आइए इस टूर को एंजॉय कीजिए, कॉल कीजिए, विजिट कीजिए, क्लोज कीजिए. I promise an absolutely fantastic deal and a property which you can pass down the generations. That's the living room. Living and dining, a fantastic place to entertain. Look at how expansive this room is. Look at the vertical space as well. Luxury property is more about volume than it is only about length and breadth. So that's what you can experience in this apartment. And that's the balcony. Absolutely stunning views. It's like a weather observatory up here. This flat is organized like this. It's 2 bedrooms and the kitchen on the lower level, and there's 3 bedrooms on the upper floor. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. ये किचन है यहाँ पे. Pretty wide kitchen, modular बना हुआ है. You can of course do it to your own taste. Notice the window, that is a west exposure window. शानदार हवा आएगी, makes the cooking experience also a pleasant one. These are the 2 bedrooms on the lower level. This is the first master bedroom. Comes with an attached bath. ये east facing bedroom है दोस्तों. यहाँ एक प्यारी सी balcony भी है. This is the second balcony. Gives you a fantastic view. And that's the bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Comes with wooden flooring. This room particularly requires a little bit of work, but शानदार बन सकता है. ये west exposure वाली bedroom है दोस्तों. Comes with attached bath and a wardrobe. The staircase which takes us to the upper level. Come. पूरा Italian marble flooring and cladding है दोस्तों यहाँ पे इस पूरे फ्लैट में. This is the landing and you get that fantastic duplex vibe out here. Great place to entertain. Look at this expansive window that gives you the whole view of, it's like a picture perfect view from up here. और यहाँ है 3 bedrooms. जो पहला bedroom है वो ये है. This is the primary bedroom on the upper level. Wardrobe space, west facing window. Walk-in closet and the bathroom. And we head to the other side. Staircase के left में 2 bedrooms हैं दोस्तों. This is the first one. This is the west facing bedroom. In fact, you can make a nice little space out here. This is the attached bath. The other bedroom, wardrobe space, attached bath, and this is the west facing window. वो वाला east facing था, ये west facing है. You have fantastic cross ventilation all through and through in both the levels. यहाँ से शानदार येऊर हिल्स का व्यू भी आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो. This greenery is here to stay. This is a protected and reserved forest. ये कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. It's going to be here forever. इस शानदार महल को अपना घर बनाने के लिए इस नंबर पे कॉल करें. I promise you nothing but an absolutely fantastic deal. Because this house is a generational keep. इससे आप generational wealth create कर सकते हो. It's worth keeping this property for future generations. It's a fantastic flat. 5-bedroom duplex penthouse for sale in Hiranandani Estate. Call करें, visit करें, close करें. Cheers.